Hi, here is the Olympus IZM220 overall conditions. And here is the battery compartment. By pulling it, it will come up. And using two CR123A battery. And we need to put accordingly from here and then until here. If you put here first, then you cannot put the left side here. The next thing, put the cap back and okay. It keep linking this E, it stands for empty. Yeah, so you just load the film to make sure that is okay. Yep. Yeah, by pulling here up is to open the back cover lah. And we need to put the film in from at here. We need to slide into it lah, to make sure that the motor is fit into the center part of the film. Okay, like that. Okay, then pull the film tip to here. And make sure that your film is flat like this. Okay, pull a little bit more. Okay, and we just close it. And it will auto load. Okay, when we on it, look at here. Yeah, it's shows figure 1, which means that it have loaded the film properly. So now we can start shooting. And here is the shutter button. Here is the T stands for tally. It's zoom in and zoom out. Then here is the viewfinder. When you look into the viewfinder, at the center part of the viewfinder got a circle or dot. So you just use that thing to aim whatever you want to focus and half press the shutter. Okay, if it doesn't blink, it light up like this, which means that it's okay. Then you just press it. If it's blinking, if it's blinking for the green light, it stands for it can't focus. Green light stands for autofocus, and the red light stands for the flash. Yeah, and here's the flash setting. You can set it at auto S. This one like will flash for a few times first lah. Yeah, you see, then only to the object. But I've tried it before and I feel like yeah, it's not much different with the auto lah. Then this one is off the flash, fill in flash, night mode. And usually I would recommend user using the auto mode will do. Yeah. Then we click the subject. This one is the timer. Then this one is continuous shooting. This one is timer plus continuous shooting. Then this one is center point. It means that it's the spot metering actually. Yeah, which is using for you during bad light in situation. Okay, then we try timer first. Also same, half press. Oops, sorry. And press it. Then here we have a red light light up, which means that the timer is start counting already. Okay, wait for it. Yeah. Okay. Then about the continuous shooting is half press, press it. If I didn't release the shutter, it will keep shooting. There you see. Unless I release, then only it will stop. And here is the panorama mode. If you want to use it, push it up and push it. Then you will see like inside will become more narrow. Yeah. If it's normal, it's like this. We'll put it back first. Then yeah, it will be more wider. And the bottom here is got a minus and positive lah. This one is designed for people who wear specs. If they want to view into the viewfinder, they can take off their specs and adjust it until it clear. Then means that's okay. This it won't like affect the autofocus something. It just affect the view. As for point and shoot, the view doesn't link with the lens. It's just for framing use. Yeah. So overall it's like this, and when you shoot finish, it will auto rewind. So hope you enjoyed it.